Let us continue the lesson Goal Setting by Krishnamachari Shrikant. Passion is the key word. When I say passion, you do something with your heart and soul. When you do something with passionate interest, you'll always be successful in life. When you put your heart and soul and you are passionate, you start enjoying what you do. And when you enjoy what you do, ultimately you do everything in the right manner. That's what I mean by passion. Without passion, please don't do anything. There are times when you are down and out and when you just don't feel like doing something. But nevertheless, you just do something for the sake of doing. Never ever do that. The moment your mind is not there, just stop doing something. Take a break and come back. Because whatever you do in life, please do it with passion. Here, the writer wants to tell us that when we work towards our goals in a very conscious manner with passion, by putting our heart and soul into whatever we want to be, then we will achieve our goal. He says that when we do something with passionate interest, we will always be successful. What is the reason? Because when you put your heart and soul into a work and work it with passion, you start enjoying the work. And when you enjoy the work, you do it in a right manner. That's what he means by passion. Further, writer says that when we don't do a work without passion, because there are times when you are down and you just don't feel like doing something, but you just do it for namesake. So he says us that never do so. The moment your mind is not in that work, just stop doing that work. Take a break and come back, because he says that whatever you do in life, please do it with passion. In this para, the writer tells us about the secret of Sachin Tendulkar's success in his career. The best example I can think of for doing something with passion is Sachin Tendulkar. Just imagine this guy has got all the records you want in international cricket. He has played the maximum number of test matches, one day matches. He has got all the runs and all the records with him. But till his retirement, whenever he played with great passion. That's why Sachin was so successful. So the writer says the secret of Sachin's successful career is playing with great passion. The writer says that Sachin had got all the records he wanted in international cricket. He played the maximum number of test matches, one day matches, and he had got all the runs and records with him. But till his retirement, he played with great passion. That's why Sachin was so successful in his career. The writer tells us what are the things to be kept in mind in the process of goal setting. Here are some ways to make sure that the goals that you are working on are things that you want and not just things that sound good. In this para, the writer tells us about how to set the goals and achieve the goals. The writer says, set goals on a yearly basis. Set smaller goals and achieve the smaller goals and go on a step by step basis. When you go on a step by step basis, as I told you with live examples, it becomes easier to achieve your goals. Time management is important when you want to achieve your goals. If you work towards it in a very conscious manner with passion, by putting your heart and soul into whatever you want to be, you will get it. The writer says that one should set goals on a yearly basis. One should set smaller goals and try to achieve the smaller goals first by step process. Why does the writer say to follow a step by step process? As he has given some live examples also, because it becomes easier to achieve the goals. The writer also feels that time management is very important to achieve the goals. If one works towards it in a very conscious manner with passion, putting his or her heart and soul, one can surely achieve what one want to be. So he feels that you will get success if you set your goals and try to achieve it in a step by step process. So the writer says that write your goal with positive attitude. Write your goal in complete detail. Make sure your goal is high enough. The writer says the next step in the goal setting process is to identify the benefits of achieving that goal. Make sure that you are going towards where you actually want to go. So here the writer wants to tell us that in the process of goal setting, we need to identify the benefits of achieving that goal which we have set up in our life. For which he says that one should make sure that you are going towards where you actually want to go. So we should be sure of what we are doing. He says that make sure that you take an informed decision when choosing your career. Let us see what happens when you are choosing your career. In this para, the writer tells us about the factors which actually influence you when you are trying to choose your career. They are your educational background, parental influence, teachers and mentors, the environment that you are in, personal aspirations, and peer pressure. So, the writer says that we need to have proper career orientation. Your personality plays an important role in choosing the type of career you want. Choosing something you enjoy and really want to do, and you will be successful. So students, I hope you have understood the summary of the lesson. And now let's see the question and answers which are asked in your textbook. You have written on the board few questions, and the short questions need to be answered in a sentence or two, and the paragraph questions need to be answered in about 100 to 150 words. I given you few questions over here. Please try to answer these questions at your home. Which is the most important step in the goal setting process? What made Srikanth keep trying to realize his dream? What kind of attitude helps us to succeed? When will you be successful in life? Why should you enjoy what you do? What is the secret of Sachin Tendulkar's success? These are the few questions I have taken from your textbook. There are some more questions in your textbook to answer all the questions from the textbook. And the paragraph question here, describe how Srikanth achieved his professional goals. What is Srikanth's advice to achieve your goals? So students, I hope you have understood today's class, and meet you again in your next class with a new topic. Thank you students.